Hello, beautiful people. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is great, doing great. So, welcome back to the channel. Woo! Okay, so today we are going to talk about making noise. Making noise, especially unnecessary noise. Why are you doing it? Sometimes people just want to be in silence. Like we just want to be in silence. Don't ask us how our day went. Don't ask us about work. Don't ask us about the annoying co-workers. Whew, that'll be a long topic. But we just want to be in silence. And if you see us in silence listening to music, don't ask us, how are you in silence and you're listening to music? We are in silence listening to our music in our ears in silence. We don't need to have discussions about why we're in silence listening to music. Okay? Just please stop. And people playing music loudly, overly loud, especially music nobody wants to listen to. Please stop. Please stop. People making noise, cutting their yards early in the morning. Why do you need to cut your yard 6 o'clock in the morning? Cut at 8 o'clock when people up, when people waking. Gosh, come on. Or you want to do, I don't know what, very loudly when it's time to sleep. Come on. Or playing your TV very loudly. That's annoying. If nobody told you, hey, I'm here to tell you, that is annoying. Nobody wants to hear what you are listening to on your television. Nobody wants to hear your music. Nobody wants to hear you talking loudly or singing loudly. Ooh, don't get me started on when you can't sing. Whew, please. Please, guys. Don't disturb people's peace and silence. Please, it's super annoying. It really is super annoying. Just please. Just silence. Appreciate silence. Sometimes silence is really good for mental health and stuff. And sitting in silence is fun. You can sit in silence and have a great time. Bring some tea, some snacks, share the snacks without talking. Simple pass, not pass, puff. We don't do that. But yes, share the snacks, throw out the tea. Everybody is in silence, appreciating the silence. You can go outside, look at the birds. Birds make noise too, but it's a different kind of noise. Look at the sky, look at the clouds, listen to the birds. You don't even have to listen to the birds. You could probably ignore the birds if those are disturbing. Just take the breeze and enjoy the silence. It's really good. It's really good for you. Trust me. Silence sometimes works it just really works. Try it out. Just being silent, that works. But anyway, guys, let me leave you all to go on with your day or your afternoon, evening, night, depending on which part of the world you are. If you have not yet liked, please do so. Do remember to subscribe and leave a comment. Tell me what you all want to hear and what we should be discussing, right? Enjoy. All right, I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.